Claude tutorial for beginners, build websites with AI. Now, what if you could build a complete professional website just by describing what you want in plain English and watching the AI build it in actual real time? No HTML, no CSS, no JavaScript, no Figma mockups, no hiring a developer, just you, a terminal, and Claude Code doing the actual building while you give it direction. Now that is exactly what this tutorial is going to be showing you. Claude Code is one of the most powerful AI coding tools that are available right now. And in this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to use it as a complete beginner to build a real website from scratch. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to have a working website that you built yourself without writing a single line of code manually. Now, what is Claude Code and why should you care? Now, Claude Code is an AI coding agent that is built by Anthropic, which is the same company that makes Claude, the AI assistant, but Claude Code is quite different from regular Claude chatbot in a very important way. Now, regular Claude gives you text answers. Claude Code actually takes actions. It reads your files, creates new files, writes code, runs commands, and builds things on your computer in real time. Now think of it as the difference between asking someone how to cook a meal versus having a chef come to your kitchen and cook it with you while supervising. Now Claude Code is the chef. You're the person deciding what you want to eat. So for building websites specifically, this is incredibly powerful. You describe the website you want, Claude Code writes all the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript needed, creates the file structure, and produces something you can open in a browser immediately. If you don't like something, you say change this and it changes it. And if you want to add something, you say add this and it adds it. The entire back and forth is in natural language. Now, to get started with Claude, what you're going to do is you're of course going to want to come over to Claude's very own terminal. Now you can use the desktop application or you can simply go ahead and use Claude's very own browser app. Okay. Now, once you're in, what you're simply going to want to do over here is, make sure that you have the upper pricing and plans because the better your plan is, the better the generation is going to be. Okay. Now, before we start building, you're going to want to go ahead and create a dedicated folder for this. And you can do this by going into your projects section right here. And in the project section, you're going to click on new project and let's call this website. Now, once we've done that, you're going to hit create project. Now, here is, where beginners are going to make their first mistake. They give Claude a vague description, like, just saying, build me a website. And then they get frustrated when the result is not what they imagined. Now, the key to getting great results from Claude is specificity. Now, before typing anything, think through a few questions. What is the website for? Who is the audience? What sections should it have? What visual style? Minimal and clean, bold and colorful, professional and corporate. What specific information should each section contain? Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be building a portfolio website for a freelance graphic designer. So write down your description before typing it. Something like build a portfolio website, okay, for a freelance graphic designer named John Leahy, okay. Then you can write in the site should have a nav bar, which is a navigation bar with links to, let's say, home. Let's go with work. Let's go with about. And let's go with contact. Okay. And you can write in something like the hero section should have a large, let's go with headline that says design your story. And of course, you could go ahead and describe it more and more as much as you want. Let's say I want the branding to be minimalistic with yellow and green as the main colors. Okay, so let's go with that and enter it in. Okay, now that level of detail actually produces something immediately useful. Okay, you can type this description into Claude Code and simply press enter. Now Claude reads your description and it begins working thoroughly. you will see it thinking through what needs to, be actually built and what needs to be actually done. Now, for a site like our portfolio example, this takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, of course, when Claude finishes and the prompt returns, your website files are going to exist inside of this project folder. You can go and see that Claude is going to provide you the index HTML, the style CSS, and possibly even a JavaScript file. And you can open that index HTML file in your browser by simply double clicking it, and your website is going to be appearing. Now, the first version that you're going to get is rarely exactly perfect, and that's completely expected. This is where the conversation-based nature of Claude Code shines. You give feedback and it improves. Look at what Claude Code built, okay? You can see what you like, what needs to change, and be specific in your feedback. Examples of effective refinement prompts, like the hero section background is too plain, add a subtle geometric pattern, background using CSS instead of a solid white, all these different things to make your design more recurring. And now, of course, that the structure and design look right, you're going to replace the placeholder content with the real content by simply providing Claude those details. And of course, you can use Claude to deploy it onto your GitHub or any other website. Of course, you will need to integrate, but it's pretty simple and it's pretty straightforward. And of course, there are tons and tons of different, website providers out there. Like, we have Lovable AI, and you can just simply deploy over here. But, once we have pretty much gotten an idea of that, that is how you're going to use Claude to create yourself a website. So, it turns a website building from a technical skill into a communicational skill. And if you can describe what you want clearly and fully, you can build a professional site by yourself, for yourself, in the easiest and most simplest way with the proper code structures that could take days for developers. So that is pretty much the gist of it and how you're going to be able to create a fully functional working website using Claude in the easiest way. Now, all the steps and processes that we went through are very simple. Just follow the video from start to finish and you will get to where you want to be. Now, of course, the website actually depends on you. If it's a portfolio, if it's a small business, if it's an e-commerce, whatever you have, Claude will make it for you. You just need to know what things to tell, what prompts to give, and how to give them.
So to sum it all up, that is basically the end of the video. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video till the end, do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. Also turn bell notifications on. It will really help me out a lot. And if there is anything that you need to know, something regarding this video or any question, do let me know down in the comments below and I will answer it to you straight away. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.